Your new Blazer EV comes with Google built in, giving you access to a wide range of apps available through the Google Play Store. However, you may notice there are some apps you're used to using that aren't available, such as Apple Music or Pandora Radio. But don't worry, you can still access these apps through Bluetooth connectivity. First, you need to ensure you have a properly connected phone via Bluetooth. You can check that here within the phone app. Once connected, let's head over here to the audio app. Switching to your Bluetooth connection is as easy as switching between AM and FM radio. Just go here to select your audio source and then tap Bluetooth. Your audio will now stream from your phone. You can also switch this audio source via your steering wheel controls with this button here. Once you've set your Bluetooth source, you can start playing from any app on your phone. If stationary, you can pick up your phone and open an application, such as Apple Podcasts. From here, you can hit play. You can also do this using your voice assistant, which we'll cover shortly. You can still hit play, pause, and seek from the controls here in your infotainment screen. With this setup, Google Assistant won't be able to adjust your audio or select a playlist. However, you do still have access to Voice Assistant on your phone. Make sure your phone is in the open and available, as your phone microphone will need to pick you up. Activate your Voice Assistant on an Android device, or for iPhone users, say, "Hey Siri." Siri should pick you up and begin communicating through your car's stereo system. "Hey Siri, how's the weather?"
It's currently partly cloudy and 40 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 41 to 34 degrees tonight.
You can also access your Voice Assistant by pressing this button here on the steering wheel. While a quick press activates Google Assistant, if you hold for 3 seconds or so, the Voice Assistant from your personal device will be activated. What time's sunset?
Sunset will be at 6:26 p.m. today.
This allows you to stay connected, hands-free, and continue to enjoy all of your favorite audio content from your connected device.